Hello, I got your question about how to complete this problem. You want to construct a 90% confidence interval about the difference in the means for sample statistic. You're given the data here and here. You could just plug in the information into the formula. You'd have to find T sub C. And you want a confidence interval where the variance is not equal, so you wouldn't pool them. So you could use these formulas and just put in x1 here and x2 here, s1 here and s2 here, and then n1 and n2. The only difference in these two parts, one's a minus and a plus. And then you got to look up T sub C. Based on degrees of freedom in the confidence interval. Or you can let the calculator do the heavy lifting. If you click on stats and then go over to test and then come down to 2 sample T interval and you pick it and you got a choice of picking from a list of data, data or stats. We have the stats, so you have to come over to stats and you just enter in, I entered to 117, to 3.89, and to 12. And also you need to enter these numbers, 69, 2.16, and 16. Now I can't show the next part. You go down, it'll ask for the confidence interval, which is 0.9. Then it'll ask for the variance is not equal, so you'd say it's not pooled. Then you just tell it to calculate, and in the first line, it'll give you the confidence interval when you're around to the nearest integer, it says. So you can either use the formula or just type it into your calculator. Both would work. Hope this helps.